I was talking to a buddy the other day, and he was telling me about his airsoft collection, and I guess I got a little jealous. I was like, hey, that sounds pretty cool. So I went out to Canadian Tire and checked out some guns. They had this one here, Stinger P9T, I believe it is. I just like to call it the P9. And anyways, it was a really good price, so I figured, what the hell, I'll pick it up and give her a go. Should be some fun. So anyways, let's open it up and have a look at it. Very nice feel. Awesome. Okay, so basically we're looking at mechanism, repeater, power source, spring, caliber, 6mm plastic BBs, 7 and 7.75 inches in length. Front sight is blade. That doesn't mean too much to me. I guess it's just a little notch sticking up there. Oh, the rear sight, and then it says notch. Well, that just kills what I said there. Safety slide and velocity up to 275 FPS, and the magazine holds 15 BBs. Alright, comes with this cool holster here. Seems to want to cock it, putting it in. Not bad. Picked it up for 20 bucks at Canadian Tire. A pack of BBs here. Got me instructions, how to load it, all that crap, I guess. Cool. So I guess, anyways, in a future video, I'm gonna take this out to the field and give it a test. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.